Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the NYX Smushy Matte Lip Balm. This product retails for $9. NYX is a makeup brand and I haven't tried any of their products in the past, but I wanted to try out this lip balm first of all because I was seeing so many people talking about it on social media. This is also one of the most affordable lip balms I've tried, so I wanted to see if it's worth it and what I noticed with it. Matte lip balm makes me a little nervous. I don't like matte finishes, but still I'm going into this with an open mind. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. It has fragrance in this formula, just be mindful if you are sensitive. They utilize rice powder and sugar ceramide. Check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description, goes to their website, or I've also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things I'm going to be looking for include what finish does it leave, how does this product perform, is it nourishing since it says it is a more matte lip balm, and what do I notice with this product. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this lip balm. I've not had a good experience so far. It has not been good with this lip balm. I haven't seen reviews to this at least in a while. I forgot what people were saying about it. I try not to look at other reviews when I'm trying a product, just so I am fully forming my own opinion on a product. This is clumpy. This is very fast fading, doesn't do anything to the lips whatsoever, and it is matte. I'll give them that, but it feels drying to the lips, if anything, which I don't know if that's just like from my first couple of times of using it. It's just really clumpy and not a good experience. I do like the lip applicator and I love the packaging. I think it's really cute with this little smushed lid. That's all we got so far. It is a tinted lip balm. I got the clear. I don't know how the tints will perform in this. Even coming out, it is just clumpy. And it is matte, but when they say matte, it's not doing anything. I might as well be applying nothing to the lips with how this felt after wearing it. I don't like this during the day. I don't like this at night. I've used it both and I just can't get into this product, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. When the clumpiness really starts to kick in is after it's set on my lips for just a minute. Just kind of applies unevenly. Like I feel it on my lips and it's hard to see because it is more of a matte finish. Definitely something that I wish was a little bit more hydrating and nourishing, like long term, because the finish gets it. Like, as someone who doesn't like to wear a crazy heavy lip balm, this is something that I love finish wise. If it did something for my lips, I'm just noticing nothing. It's just not my preferred lip balm at the moment from what I've seen. I've seen way better results from lip balms that are not matte, but they leave less of a glossy finish, if that makes sense. Now this is rather budget friendly. I'm just not enjoying it. It starts to pill up slightly. I think that's where the clumpiness comes from. Like when it sits on my lips and I'm not doing anything. I'm not drinking, I'm not eating. I'm just applied this product. Lasted maybe 30 minutes and did nothing for my lips. It needs to be a product that I'm not enjoying so far. Sometimes though, lip balms provide better results later on. So I'm still gonna give this product a chance. Using a product for a couple of days can tell you some things, but not everything. So I'm gonna continue using it, seeing what else I notice and hoping this product gets better. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I really did not like this lip balm, which you could probably imagine from my last check-in. This product definitely was a matte finish, but it was clumpy, it was thick, didn't do a lot for my lips, and honestly faded within the first 30 minutes max of using it. I did not enjoy this lip balm. It did have a nice fragrance to it, which is not why we're here. Performance is what I really look for in a lip balm, and this just didn't do it. It is the most affordable lip balm that I have tried, but honestly, if you're wanting a matte lip balm finish, I would prefer going for a stick lip balm. I feel like balmy products like this are kind of hard to make matte. I do have an alternative, but it is a little bit more expensive. The most budget-friendly alternative to a matte finish lip balm I would recommend is the Bubble Lip Balm. That product is really matte. It delivers some nice hydration that I wish I saw more of from this product, and I just didn't. That's why I would personally go for the Bubble if you're looking for a matte finish, but if you're looking for a balm style product with a matte finish and so many more more better ingredients, I would recommend the Remedy for dry lips. Fragrance free, which is good if you've experienced irritation or dryness from fragrance in lip balms, and also has a more matte finish that's not clumpy, a little bit more of a luxurious feel to a lip balm. It is double this price point, but still I would go for that over this because I honestly saw nothing with it. For it to be as affordable as it is, I was expecting it to at least be decent, and I didn't even have that experience with it. So I sadly cannot recommend this lip balm. Rather go for one of the alternatives that I mentioned. If you are looking for a matte finish lip balm, I don't know of any tinted matte finish lip balms. The closest option I can think of is the Naturium Fido Glow, but it is a little bit more glossy. Still a great option though if you are looking for a tinted, more light option, but it is a thick lip balm that delivers some nourishment as well. So I wish I had a better experience with this because it is the most budget-friendly lip balm that I have tried. It just wasn't good. I just did not like this product whatsoever. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.